If I know you, and I obviously do in the 1.2 milliseconds that we've now known each other, you like giant folding drones. Hey everyone, I'm Nate. And I'm Abby. I'm also kind of stupid. Popeye's back at home. Amelia is with Grandma and Grandpa. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our crazy RC family. If you're new to the channel and you're just here for this big drone, just know that we have over 1,400 videos of family-friendly, fun RC content for you to have, and I'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of the fun almost every single day. This is a big drone. It's not very often we see drones of this size anymore. It used to be when drones were just coming out and becoming popular and that main rush of everybody having to have a drone, we saw more big drones. And then the drone companies realized, whoa, that's kind of a bad idea. They're expensive and they're more expensive to ship. So, well, here's a big drone. It does have a camera on it. I didn't bother to put the landing gear on here. Odds are this is not going to be a great drone, but if you're here for a big budget drone, this is about what it's going to get you. So let's put it in the air and see how it does. You know the drill by now. If we like what we see, we'll show you more at the end of the video to show you everything that comes in the box. Let's fly this thing. I have a hard time believing that I'm going to recommend this to you, which is why I didn't go all out and put the landing gear on. So I'm taking off from this tie so that the camera can still... Let's just do this. Hit the button.
Just watch.
I want to be quiet and get fairly close so you guys can hear this crazy, large, loud drone. It's very loud. That beeping is me trimming it so that it'll fly a little bit more level. Since I took off from the tie and it was leaning forward, it did not get a good level takeoff. So there we go, that's pretty good. I'm looking down at the camera quality now that I know the drone is trimmed up. As expected, it is about the most crap quality you could expect on a drone. It's pretty bad. Okay, let's fly over toward the lake.
Wind just picked up.
Yeah. I'm not going to be flying this very far away. Now the thing about a big drone is you're going to want to fly it farther away because you can still see it. So you would think, hey, we can fly this super far, it's going to have really good range, but I can tell bad camera quality, cheap parts, cheap electronics. I don't want to fly this very far away because it could just fall into the lake or get disconnected from the transmitter and drift away, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to find this in the middle of the woods today. Flying over the water though a little bit, just for some fun, and I will fly up some. Just not going to go away too far. Now,
oh my gosh, what did you...
Listen, I gotta do this, I gotta do it closer.
They probably couldn't hear, but the motors just cut out. Was that you?
That was me.
Okay.
It was me climbing, and then after I let off the throttle, it did that. So listen.
Because there's altitude hold.
Right, so listen to this. I'm gonna climb up, and then I'll let off the stick.
So scary.
It did that out there. Well, I mean, as far as a big drone goes, it's pretty cool, I guess, but if I was gonna spend about what this cost, I don't like that either, on a drone, I believe I'd be buying a Bugs drone. And what I'll do, down by the link where you can buy this, click it, see how much it costs and everything. I will also link one of my favorite, fairly similarly priced Bugs drones that is much better quality for your money. That's what you get here on our channel. We're not just here to sell you this drone, we're gonna tell you, hey, look at this drone, let's have some fun with it, but ultimately at the end of the day, let's not waste your money, let's put it towards something that we know is good, because we've tested probably over 1,000 drones, guys, in the last few years. Insane.
Does this have flips or anything?
Yeah, okay, let's do it, but not over the water. So I think this is the rate button there. I just want 3 rates, see how fast we can get it to fly here. Pretty fast for a big guy. Whoa, 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 see my yaw got... Ooh, there's some Wi-Fi issues there. I did not like that at all. I'm gonna go back to rate 2. I twisted yaw for about 2 seconds and it got stuck in spinning for about 5 seconds. So there was our Wi-Fi interference, but let's try a flip. Oh, there the camera goes. Goodbye camera. I had that clipped in place exactly the way it's supposed to be in there.
Bring it closer.
Let's do this even with the dangling camera. You ready?
Hold on, let me show them. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Oh, that's a powerful flip. That's a behemoth of a drone, guys. You're not gonna see much bigger than this than what you can buy.
How's the camera quality now, Nate?
Hey, good shot of the ground. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys.
I'm surprised this even had flips.
Me too.
I didn't think it would flip. Oh my gosh.
When it flips, I can hear the props like colliding with each other or something. Listen to this.
Well, that's the camera now.
Maybe. Okay, Abby, if I could have you stop recording on your phone really fast. Yeah, and I'm going to get the drone back. I want to snap that camera off of there. Well, not snap it, unplug.
Are you going to do this for the video? Oh my gosh, don't do this at home. Oh my gosh. Wow, you actually did it. Don't do that at home, that was dumb.
Yeah, don't do that at home. Obviously, never reach for a drone while it's flying. I just wanted to unplug the camera so we could try a flip. I want to see if it still does that clicking noise when I do the flip. I think it will, because I think it's the props.
Sweet.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh no,
oh, that was
straight into the ground.
That was all the drone. Oh, that was bad. Want to see if it still flies?
Let's see, were the props not bent?
No.
Man,
we're good.
It looked like it just slammed into the ground.
Yeah, but honestly, for such a big drone, it is really lightweight. It's very feathery, and I think that's why it failed its flip. It just did a flip, and then it kind of got stuck sideways and went down. Okay,
since this drone is clearly no good,
I think I did burn out a light though. That the front left light is done.
Bummer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about what this thing is in the tree, because I want to know. Do you know, Nate?
I think it is there to collect some kind of insect.
Guys,
maybe
what's this
a moth, might be a small bird, but I don't think they do that. I think they're trying to either put pheromones out there somehow.
What?
Yes, those are usually some kind of bug traps. They are doing a count on the species, or maybe they're trying to lower the species some.
Did you have a friend that had a job to do that?
Yes, his job for the entire summer was to go put pheromone traps out to catch a certain kind of butterfly or moth, something like that.
That's weird.
It's odd, yeah, but people, we have to help maintain the animal population because we've done so much harm over the years. Okay, so let's try one more flip, a little bit higher.
Oh my gosh,
I want to do a side flip again. Oh, it did it. I'll do one more here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's doing a little better now.
Scary.
I think maybe my taking the camera off, I don't think that did it. I think we got a weird gust of wind and it just kind of pushed it down because it's so big and feathery. Anyway, I had this drone years ago that was black and yellow. Some of you guys will remember it.
Yeah,
I flew it
here
at this lake and it was big, huge, bigger than this one. Had crazy cool lights that went through the arms. I don't remember the name of it. But
Kai-dang something.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what it was called.
And this just kind of reminds me of it because that's the last large drone we had. Oh, those props, you can hear them clicking.
I feel like they're just gonna snap.
Something's gonna give, that's for sure. I mean, I gotta be honest, it is fun to fly a big drone, but if I was just out to buy myself a new drone, look, that back left light seems like it's gonna go out too. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, if I'm going to spend about $100 on a drone, it's not going to be this, unless I have a collection of 1,000 drones, in which case I do. And if I'm a YouTuber making drone videos for you guys, yes, I'll pick this up. But if it's just me to add one collection to maybe it's my first drone, or I'm just getting a second or third, it's not going to be this. This is a unique little thing that might be fun for a special project, but I would not just be buying this as a camera drone. That's what they're trying to sell it as, a big folding arm camera drone. I like the risk involved with these flips.
Oh, it sounds so grindy with the flip now. How low can you go?
You really want me to keep doing that? Okay, we'll go.
You're the one that says you like the
asphalt, over the asphalt. Okay, that's nothing. We can do lower. What do you say we are, about a foot off the ground?
A couple feet.
A couple feet? Let's get a foot.
It gains so much altitude.
Oh, okay, that's the drone. No, those were just prop caps that flew off. I do need to find them all though.
Why am I standing so close to this?
Yeah, we need to probably back up some. We'll just see if it still flies after that crazy crash.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, okay, we're good. Well, this drone is smashed into soft wet grass, muddy wet grass, and then the asphalt after we were doing limbo flips, and it still flies really well, no wobble or anything. So I will say it's durable. Again though, our channel, we're not here to sell you a drone. We don't want you to buy everything in every video we make. That would be so stupid. The point of what we do is to have fun in the hobby. Now generally we're not so hard on our stuff. I'm a little embarrassed that I did that. I didn't think it would crash, to be honest with you. I tend to take care of the things that I have. I'm very grateful for everything that I have. Every subscriber, there we go, low light battery. But that was fun, right? We gotta admit. And it's still flying.
Most of the time when we do the limbos like that, that does not happen.
Right.
So.
Funny auto land there. As far as a giant folding arm drone goes, I had more fun with this than I expected myself to. But as it's not my job, it's just my fun hobby being a YouTuber here. But as my job, for you guys, my responsibility to you
civic
watching.
Duty.
My civil duty. Civic duty. My is to say pass, because I really don't want you wasting your money on this unless you've already experienced a good drone and you're just looking for something goofy and fun and different to fly with your fellow drone friends. Head turner, maybe you could modify this a little bit to do some more fun things. I'm thinking of one person right now, Foamy Ninja, that just modifies stuff. I think something like this would appeal to him. He's more of a modifier than a flyer, and this is big, it's different, it's kind of funny, it's clunky, but overall, I mean, it worked. So if that's your thing, go ahead and buy it. There's no reason not to as far as that goes. But if you have X amount of dollars in your pocket and that's it, and it just so happens to be this amount of dollars, don't buy this. I will link a better drone for you. Buy this. We'll do one more up for you on that. We'll, at the very end, when you see the cartoon of me on the boat and Abby on the island and we're flying our stuff, we'll link a video right there for you. This was fun. That's the point of the hobby. Get out, fly, drive, do a boat, do a plane, do something. Just get out and enjoy the RC hobby. I absolutely love it. Between RC and video games and just family fun, that's my life. RC is basically my life, and we love it, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah. Goofy, fun to be had. The sky drone. Huge thing, isn't it?
Yes.
Huge. Even after it's folded up, it's still giant.
Did that just fall on its own?
No. Yeah. Wouldn't that be funny? I love this drone. I really love this drone. Just so happens it's heavy enough that gravity pulls those. There's little lock switches back there. Okay, so that's it. This was fun, but still not the most highly recommended drone in this price point. And who ended up buying the hoverboard drone that we did just a week or two ago? That was amazing. If you guys missed that, you need to find that video on our channel. I'll put it in the card up here somewhere. Go watch it, buy it, and enjoy it. You've definitely earned it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.